This tutorial is all about how I was able to achieve this asymmetrical neckline. If you want to know how I did this, then you should see this short video up until the very end. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and let us jump into this tutorial. To begin, already I have the front part of my blouse all set out. I just cut out a blouse that has a shoulder dart and a simple round neckline. I would be altering this neckline to the asymmetrical neckline that you saw earlier. The very first thing I will do is to mark 6.5 inches downward from one part of my shoulder. So I'm just taking my chalk and I'll mark 6.5 inch downward. And from that 6.5 inch, I will take half an inch to the side just to make it a little bit wide. I will connect that to my shoulder slant in this manner. After that, I would then connect from the other neck, from the other shoulder, this shape that would meet at that 6.5 inch. I would alter the shape to what I desire. After then, I'll cut this out. This is what my neckline looks like after cutting it out. I would repeat likewise on the lining because I would be needing a lining to turn this neckline. For this, you would want to make sure that the right side of your lining is placed on the right side of the fabric. I will turn it to the wrong side and trim off the neckline of the lining. Afterwards, I would proceed to my sewing machine and join it all around the neckline. I would also sew it down by 1/4 of an inch along the sides and also aim it at the down part. And here is what the front part of my blouse is looking like so far, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It looks neat, properly and well finished. Off camera, I have prepared the back part of this blouse. I didn't show it on camera because the major focus of this tutorial is the front asymmetrical neckline. I will join the sides together and the neckline. I would also fix my desired sleeve, and here is the outcome of this blouse. Pretty simple and easy to do. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.